Did you know that by 2025, automation and AI will eliminate 85 million jobs, but also create 97 million new ones? The way we work is evolving fast, and businesses that fail to adapt risk being left behind. Enter n8n AI Agent, a game-changing tool designed to supercharge automation, making workflows smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or tech enthusiast, this tool is reshaping the future of automation. Automation should make life easier, but let's face it, most automation platforms are too complex for beginners, time-consuming to set up, struggle with integration across different apps. This leads to frustration, inefficiency, and missed opportunities. But what if there was a better way? n8n AI Agent solves these challenges effortlessly. Here's how. No-code simplicity, drag-and-drop interface for easy workflow creation, smart AI decisions, automates repetitive tasks intelligently, seamless integrations, connects with hundreds of apps for smooth automation. For example, imagine automatically sorting emails, updating databases, and sending reports without lifting a finger. n8n AI Agent does just that, saving time, effort, and resources. Let's talk results. A digital marketing agency reduced manual workload by 70%, freeing up their team to focus on strategy instead of repetitive tasks. That's the power of n8n AI Agent. Automation doesn't have to be complicated. With n8n AI Agent, you can streamline workflows, boost efficiency, and unlock new possibilities, all with ease. What tasks would you like to automate? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead in AI and automation, subscribe now for more game-changing insights. See you in the next video.